24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 2 of the chapter 8 of Science, grade 4, which covers the topic seasons. The video will cover types of major seasons on Earth, weather and features of each season. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a welcoming smile and say Assalamu alaikum. Ask them, how are you all? Tell them that they shall learn about seasons. Start in the lesson with light questioning such as, which season is your favorite? Why is it your favorite season? Can you tell the foods and clothes used in the season? How is the weather like during this season? Encourage the students to use weather names and indicators learnt at the beginning of the chapter to give their answers. Seek 4 to 5 volunteers to participate. This discussion will help to tap the information which students already have about seasons. Now, start building upon this knowledge and use already prepared flashcards of Earth and Sun. You may stick the flashcards directly on the board with removable tape or use a soft board or a chart paper. Stick the sun in the middle and stick the Earth on one side, slightly tiled. Draw Earth's path around the sun to show revolution and change the positions of Earth flashcard to explain how seasons change with movement of Earth around the sun. As you explain, write which month it is alongside the Earth flashcard every time you move it further on the revolution path on the board. In this way, students will learn how Earth's tilt and the revolution makes different seasons through a year. Divide the board in a 2x2 table and write summer, winter, autumn, and spring in each block. Discuss the speciality of each season one by one and jot down the important points in the boxes on the board. Include these points in your table. Average temperature in the season, duration of the season, clothes worn in the season, foods eaten in the season, activities done in the season. Have some students read out from the textbook and others follow in their own books. For homework, you can ask the students to write 5 lines about their favorite season. You may also ask them to make a fact file of their favorite season by collecting pictures and completing a fact sheet. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.